According to psychology, 1 in 8 people are being stalked every day without realizing it. If the sun exploded right now, you wouldn't know about it for another 8 minutes. Every year, around 7,000 individuals die as a result of a doctor's poor handwriting. Sadness is the most enduring emotion. It can take 240 times longer to pass than other emotions such as happiness, guilt, or fear. People have reported feeling the presence of someone else in a room even though they are alone, a phenomenon known as feeling of a presence. Some people have a condition called prosopagnosia, also known as face blindness, where they are unable to recognize faces, even those of close friends and family members. A phenomenon of déjà vu, where a person feels as if they have already experienced a current situation, is still not fully understood and is still considered a mystery by many researchers. The placebo effect is a well-known phenomenon where people's symptoms can improve simply because they believe they are receiving a treatment, even if the treatment has no actual therapeutic value. Children are psychologically affected by abusing words, abusing behavior, and negative remarks. These things imprint in their minds, which is difficult to erase. 2 to 5 years are very crucial for children. In New York City, more people commit suicide than are murdered. Sharks kill about 12 people a year. People kill about 11,417 sharks an hour. Do you ever wonder what people did before the invention of assembly line cups and bowls? In ancient England, people used the top of hollowed human skulls to eat and drink. At Harvard University, there is a book bound in human skin. You have a friendly symbiotic relationship with bacteria in your gut that keeps you healthy and helps you digest food. When you die, they will eat you. The same apple tree from which an apple fell and supposedly hit Isaac Newton, inspiring his theory of gravity, is still growing at his family home over 350 years later. The electric chair was invented by a dentist. A man received the transplanted heart of a suicide victim, married the donor's widow, killed himself exactly the same way the donor did. Since 1948, about 90 commercial airlines have disappeared without leaving any evidence to what happened to them. We eat dead things so we may live. Depression is not only tough on your mind, but also your body. The brain can create false memories, leading people to recall events that never actually happened. The colder the room you sleep in, the better the chances are that you will have a bad dream. When you go to sleep, there is no guarantee you will wake up tomorrow. There is a belief that the black clothes protect you against bad energy. That's why we dress in black for the funeral. A person can live up to 3 days with no skin.